The first question is, who sang the famous song to Kapitein Deel II, 2000? The correct answer is B, Acda and Munnik. Question 2. Who sang the song The First Cut is the Deepest? The correct answer is D, Sheryl Crow. Question 3. Who sang the famous song Police Station 2011? The correct answer is A, Red Hot Chili Peppers. Question 4. Who sang the famous song Original Sin 1984? The correct answer is D, INXS. Question 5. Who sang the famous song Rocket 88 1951? The correct answer is B, Jackie Brenston and his Delta Cats. Question 6. Who sang the famous song Won't Get Fooled Again 1971? The correct answer is D, The Who. Question 7. Who sang the famous song Oye Como Va 2003? The correct answer is C, Schräge Vögel. Question 8. Who sang the famous song By the Way 2002? The correct answer is B, Red Hot Chili Peppers. Question 9. Who sang the song Party in the USA? The correct answer is B, Miley Cyrus. And the last question is, who sang the famous song Black 1991? The correct answer is C, Pearl Jam. I hope you enjoyed this quiz, and make sure to share your score in the comments.
Please subscribe and press the bell to get notified about our newest quizzes.